Hello, welcome back to AVM video. In this video, I'll be discussing a PA system that we install into a well-known semiconductor factory's cafeteria. Welcome to AVM's project department. Here, we will share you the project undertaken by us or even with collaboration with our dealers, reseller, and agent to make a project successful. If you have doubt on our products, doubt on our brand, and doubt on us or even our dealers, this may be a good reference to you to make up your mind. Broadcom is a giant American company that manufactures semiconductor for many of the electronics products in the world. We know from these direct investment companies from other countries to Malaysia, they provide a very conducive and comfortable environment to their workers to improve their efficiency in their work, to develop creativity and encourage high motivation in their worker. One initiative taken by Broadcom factories in Penang, Malaysia is to provide a conducive atmosphere in their cafeteria so that this inspire communication between the workers and spark new idea among them. With this objective in mind, AVM with our agent remove product with high treble and high bass from the equation because these products are not suitable for the cafeteria, but this is more towards concert and clubbing scene. We need to think about a smaller system as well. As you can see, the interior design of this cafeteria is very nice and very comfortable. We need to ensure the speaker system that we install need to be blend with the interior design and not those bulky speaker that look jarring to our eyes. As you can see from the pictures, you can hardly see the speaker system at all. We propose and install 8 units of ProL V8 Plus into this cafeteria. If you follow us in our previous sharing in our previous video, then you will know that ProL is an Italian brand. And this Italian brand will give us a very comfortable high frequencies and overall very good sound speaker system. Just like you are listening to a hi-fi. It is a very small speaker system, therefore it can be easily blend into this kind of environment. The 8 unit of the V8 Plus is being installed in a distributed manner to ensure that we get the even coverage all around the cafeteria spaces. Hope that you can get some idea of the PA system that we install into the cafeteria of the Broadcom Inc. If you have doubt on our brand, if you doubt on our product, and even doubt on us, hopefully this video will share to you and increase your confidence in our product, brand, and even to AVM and our agent. If you need the best proposal or you encounter audio problem in your venue, please contact us. I'll be sharing our staff WhatsApp in the description below. I hope to see you again in the next video, and bye bye.